OPC is the most widely adopted interoperability standard. So its first specification was released 25 years back, that is in 1995. OPC then was focused mainly on the industrial automation space. It was tied to Microsoft operating systems. As per the ARC advisory report, right now the OPC has an adoption of 47 million products that I'm talking about in 2018, 2 years back. And everywhere we see about OPC, 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 and OPC is considered as a global production language now. When you look at OPC UA, it was back in when it was started with the Microsoft technology, but now right now it is not limited to that. OPC UA, that is Open Platform Communication Unified Architecture. Now this standard will help you to exchange the information from your sensors between the machines and between the machines to the cloud as well. So it is a standard for IoT. It is recommended by many of these standard organizations. It was referenced in Namur Open Architecture. It was referenced in RAMI architecture for Industry 4.0. Now, as an early adopter of OPC technology, Uttunga, we provide OPC technology services for many of our customers. We started our exploration with the OPC since our inception, that is in 2007. So we actually looked at how OPC adopted itself and evolved over the period of 13 years. And as a company, we have a pool of OPC experts. And also we are, when we say experts, we are editor of some of the companion specifications for OPC UA standard. And this is how we can bring a lot of value to our customers, because we know why the standard was implemented in that way, and we can help you to adapt that standard in your product. So now if you are already made up your mind that you wanted to develop a OPC enabled product, then as a team, then we can help you to from your product conceptualization stage until your OPC product certifications. So based on our experience, it has taken almost 9 months up to 2 to 3 years for this entire product life cycle journey. But if you are still thinking that, okay, whether I should go with the OPC or not, then as a OPC consultant, we can also help you to do the analysis with you and technology feasibility study with you. We can also help you to do the platform evaluation which suits your needs. And our OPC UA consultant will be your will help you to get your first-hand information about this OPC technology. And if you are still in the journey where you have your legacy product and which is working very well for you, and now you want to adopt OPC technology into it, then we can also help you with converting your legacy product into an OPC technology. So with all this, OPC will be your one partner for anything that you would require in your product life cycle, in your journey of this adoption of this great standard OPC. Talk to our experts.